What is going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. So today is going to be a video on how I got the shot. I'm going to be showing y'all a shot that I got using off-camera flash and also using the magmod creative gel. So if you are new to flash, or you're just trying to you've been using flash for a while and you're trying to do something new, just trying to develop new techniques and skills, different ways you can shoot, then maybe this is something you may want to try out. So gonna just be talking a little bit about this shoot and what I did. So right now on the screen, this is the before. So it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the tripod kind of around their knee area, and you can still kind of see some of the building. So with the shot like this, so what I wanted to do was create a silhouette. Now, when you create a silhouette, you don't have to use off-camera flash to do this, but as you can see, you can do different things with off-camera flash. You can use gels and change colors, so you can get real creative with this, right? So this is the before and this is the after. You can see I cropped in, and you could also see you can't see like the building right here. I intentionally did that to focus on the couple and kind of draw your eye in to the middle, and also increase the saturation of the flash, which was purple. So this is the before and this is the after. Now, this is something that isn't very hard to do. All you really need to do a shot like this is you need a wall for the light to hit, and then you need to place your couple in front of that flash. So like I was saying, the flash is right behind them. I don't know if y'all can see that tripod at the bottom, but the flash is right behind them. I think it's a Godox 8200, and it's pointed straight at the middle of the wall. And I also have the magmod grid on it and the mag sphere. So those are two. Well, the mag sphere is a light modifier, and the grid is just an accessory that you can get with that kit. If you want to check out that kit, I do have a link below in the description, and also I'll link below a video where I'll talk about that more. But this is a very simple shot. This was around nighttime, and this is also something that you can do during the day. Now, if you do something like this, let me switch my. If you do something like this during the day, I didn't really have to, increase my aperture or increase my shutter speed a lot, because it was already dark. I just had to add the light behind them to illuminate that wall to where you could see the outline of them. Now, if it's daytime, what you're going to have to do is increase your shutter speed or increase your aperture to kill the ambient light. So I'll break that down in simple terms for somebody who may be confused. So when I say to kill the ambient light, that's going to make the background dark. So if it's daytime, when you're using off-camera flash, you can kill that ambient light and get a dark background if you use the correct settings. Now, it's not like I can't give y'all like a specific setting, but I'm telling you, you have to raise your shutter speed or raise your aperture, because that's going to bring down the ambient light, which is the background light, and darken that light. And then you can add the flash to illuminate the wall, which is going to make the couple, and create a silhouette. This shot isn't perfect, but I like it. And I just want to encourage y'all to don't be afraid to try stuff like this. Like, usually if I'm doing like a shot like this, I'm doing it towards the end of my session. I've already got all the shots I need. So I feel like I really don't have anything to lose. It's just me just trying something new, just trying something different. And how I explained it to the couple is, I told them we were pretty much done. I just wanted to try just a couple of creative shots. The woman in this photo told me she liked purple, which is why I used the purple gel. And I showed them the shot after I got it on my camera, and they liked it. They thought it was really cool. So just want to encourage y'all to get out there, try new things. Like I said, if you're new to flash, this could be something that you try on your next session, or if you've been using flash for a while, you could still try this out and just kind of get out of your comfort zone. And also, I wanted to let y'all know about my new course. So my off-camera flash course for beginners, this is for beginners. So if you're a beginner that's new to flash, or you've never used flash and you want to learn how to use flash, this course is going to cover it all. So I have a link below to the wait list that's open to join the wait list. So people who are on the wait list are going to get special bonuses, and may even get a discount. I'm not 100% sure yet. And also, you'll be the first to know when the course is released. So if that's something you're interested in, then I have the wait list below. You can plug in your email and you'll be the first to know when the course is released. Plus, you'll get the special bonuses with that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every single week. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.